Hi guys, you're speaking to Fluke, the F and IT guy, and today we're just going to take away that annoying notifications of Chrome. So to do this, we're going to start by opening Chrome. Look for the three dots in the top right corner. Click on Settings. And on your left hand side, you're going to see Privacy and Security. Click on that. And then look for Site Settings. Underneath Site Settings, just a little bit down, you're going to find Notifications. And inside the notifications, obviously there's quite a bit of options there. The options that you're looking at is sites can ask to send notifications. If you don't want anything, turn it off. Or if you want it quieter, use that one that says use quieter messaging. Blocks notification prompts from interrupting you. As you can see on the block side, I've already added Google Drive to not to send notifications. And at the bottom, there's a lot of them that's pre-installed, that's allowed. It comes from the applications I've installed or the extensions I've installed. So you can change that. Let me quickly see. There we go. If you go down, there you can see there's a block notification. That one doesn't allow me to change it. Let's quickly go back, see if you can find one. Okay, so we're going to use the Google Drive again. It's the easiest. There you can see notifications blocked. You can make it ask as default. So basically it will always ask or put it as allow. As soon as I click back now, there you can see it is in the allowed list again. Alternatively, what we can do, we can add a new one on there. So let's see, we're going to do Facebook. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this so that I've got the right structure. Copy, add, and paste it in there. And then I'm just going to take away that mail.google.com, make it www.facebook.com. Click add, and as you can see, there we go, Facebook's on there. So I won't receive any news notifications from Facebook. Please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe.